Hi friends! One of my TikTok buddies suggested that I watch After School. And so that's what we're going to do. And we're going to see how long Luca will be able to stay with us. Here we go. This is First Love by After School. And it was recorded June 13, 2013. So 10 years ago. Goodness. Holy moly, they are gorgeous and so talented. It must have taken them months to learn that routine. From personal experience, and I don't have that much experience on a pole. That's really hard to do. Staying on the pole. Oh my goodness. Oh baby. Okay. Wow. I don't know about you, but whenever I had heartbreak, I never danced like that. And if my boyfriends and girlfriends danced like that when I broke their heart, oh my goodness. Visuals, the dancing, it just matches the tone of the song. Very well made. I love it. Put that on my favorite list. There you go. If you have any suggestions on what we could watch next, please comment below. If you have any suggestions on anything about this video, please comment below, and please like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.